The prostate gland is a small, walnut-sized gland that plays a significant role in the male reproductive system. It is located just below the bladder and surrounds the urethra, the tube that carries urine and semen out of the body. The prostate gland's primary function is to produce and secrete prostatic fluid, an essential component of semen. Let's discuss the prostate gland in detail of a male. Anatomy and location. Size and shape. The prostate gland is roughly the size and shape of a walnut and is situated just below the bladder and in front of the rectum. Structure. It consists of several lobes, with the majority of the glandular tissue situated in the posterior portion. Proximity to the urethra. The prostate gland surrounds the urethra as it exits the bladder and enters the penis. Functions of the prostate gland. Production of prostatic fluid. The primary function of the prostate gland is to produce and secrete prostatic fluid. This fluid is a significant component of semen, comprising a substantial portion of its volume. Composition of prostatic fluid. Prostatic fluid contains various substances, including enzymes, citric acid, and specific proteins such as prostate-specific antigen, PSA. These substances serve several important purposes. Enzymes help to liquefy semen after ejaculation, allowing sperm to move more freely. Citric acid provides energy for sperm. Prostate-specific antigen, PSA, helps to keep semen in a liquid state. Role in ejaculation. During sexual arousal, the prostate gland produces and secretes prostatic fluid into the prostatic urethra. When ejaculation occurs, the prostatic fluid is mixed with sperm from the vas deferens, seminal fluid from the seminal vesicles, and lubricating fluid from Cowper's glands, bulbourethral glands, to form semen. Semen is expelled from the penis during ejaculation, facilitating the delivery of sperm into the female reproductive tract for fertilization. Prostate health. The health and proper function of the prostate gland are important for overall male reproductive and urinary health. The prostate is prone to various conditions, including benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, prostatitis, inflammation or infection of the prostate, and prostate cancer. Regular prostate health checkups and screenings are crucial for detecting and managing these conditions. Diagnostic and screening tools. Prostate-specific antigen, PSA, blood tests and digital rectal exams, DREs, are commonly used diagnostic tools for assessing prostate health and detecting potential issues. Elevated PSA levels or abnormalities detected during a DRE may prompt further evaluation, such as a prostate biopsy, to determine the presence of prostate cancer or other conditions. In summary, the prostate gland is a vital component of the male reproductive system, responsible for producing prostatic fluid, a key component of semen. It plays a crucial role in ejaculation, and its health is essential for overall male reproductive and urinary well-being. Monitoring and addressing prostate health are important aspects of men's health care.